Hey guys, so what do we have here again? Another beauty product called Beautycherie Face Oil, which is a 24 karat gold oil and it's 100% Ayurvedic. So guess what? Whoever was really scared of getting rashes and having that, oh my god, oh my skin's very sensitive and all that crap, this is something really magical because it's really nice for sensitive skin, and like it says, it is a 24 karat gold oil. And like you see me demonstrating on my model looking students, she's from Bhopal, she's been Miss Bhopal. So see, we're just using it sparingly and we're kind of giving it like a highlighting effect. Look up, my princess. So it looks like second skin. If you see, it gives that very dewy effect. So you can wear it like a moisturizer daily, or you can use it as a highlighter on your cheekbones. You can use it on your leg if you want your leg looking shiny, if you wear short clothes and short like me, and if you have sexy legs like me, you can use it like that as well. A little bit on the tip of your nose, a little bit of the cheekbone, and there you go. Just zoom in and see. It looks lovely. The dewy glowy effect comes really nice.